Y'all ready? All right, let's get it. All right. What's up, everybody? Let's get it. 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 All right. How can I put my computer on Do Not Disturb? That would be pretty cool. Do Not Disturb settings. Y'all, this is so easy. This is so easy, y'all. I'm telling you, you're about to make so much money after this webinar, okay? So much money. All right, it's not popping up. Okay. All right, cool. Y'all, 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is where the money at. I don't trade nothing. I like the 4-hour chart. Go down to the 15 if you really want to enter, to get a better entry. Because the 4-hour, so let's say the 4-hour entry had you enter right here. The 15-minute had you enter up here. See how many pips you can gain by entering on a smaller time frame? You feel me? By just trading the parabolic SAR. You know what I'm saying? Consolidation, uptrend, consolidation, work its way down. Retracement, work its way down. That's just how the market moves. It's gonna happen every single day, okay? So this is the 15-minute chart. So the parabolic SAR, when that thing changes direction, it's gonna go. But the thing is, when is it gonna go though, okay? Like, of course it changes directions, boom, right here. It changes directions, boom, right here. It changes directions right here. It changes directions right here. You feel me? So parabolic SAR changes directions all the time, so it's all about volatile times. Okay, so I think they start juking at like London. GPB pairs start moving really good around London time, 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. Eastern. Okay, London session is amazing for GPB pairs. Okay, so let me just show y'all, because y'all know, everybody know I was I killed it today. You know what I'm saying? But good signals in the Telegram. So let me show y'all exactly what I saw. I'll get rid of that. Let me show y'all exactly what I saw. This is what I do. Higher time frames, 4-hour chart. Go to the daily. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Go to the daily. It's an uptrend. Boom. Look at this big W. Down, up, W. Finished. Consolidation. So it broke out. So let's think like this. Boom. Boom. You got to drop the chart. Damn, I did that wrong. You got to drop the chart. So let's move this one down here. Boom. Boom. So that broke out right here to the next level. It was a buy from here on the daily. So you go down to the 4-hour. Right here, it was a buy from here. You buy it, you consolidate it, you bought it right here, and it shoots up. Parabolic SAR shoots up till it's still telling you it's to the upside. Then when the dots start separating right here, this is key. When these dots start separating, boom, they're showing you momentum. And this is the 4-hour, so real strong. Every 4-hour, every candle is worth 4 hours of price action. 1-hour chart is 1 hour of price action. 30 minutes of price action. 15 minutes of price action in one candle. Okay, 5 minute down to the 1 minute. Okay, but you want to stay on the higher time frame. This is the real trend. Okay, this is the real trend. So I literally entered right here, y'all. Easy money. I entered right here. This is how you count your pips. If you have a desktop, this is how you count your pips, y'all. You get this little cross thingy. Look, parabolic SAR. You want to enter soon as the dot changes directions, okay? So let's say we're on an uptrend. Up, Boom, the dot changes directions here. Let's say you entered here. You entered here and you took, what's that, 100 pips? Is that 100 pips? Yeah, it's 100 pips right there. If you took 100 pips right there, literally on that small movement from a dot changing using the Easy PSA RL app. Y'all got, they have this app. This indicator has an app. It's called Easy PSA RL. You can find it on Android or Apple. Easy PSA RL app. Let me see what it looks like. I don't think I have it. But Easy, it's only one. Easy PSA RL app. It will literally notify you, send you push notification when a trade has changed directions based on dots. So you would have got a notification right here. Boom. GPB NZD, possible sell on the 4-hour chart. The Parabolic SAR just switched directions. So you go to your chart, analyze it. Okay, it's an uptrend. It's retracing. I'll take a few pips. Where is it at? I'll take a few pips on the downside right here. So you enter 0 drawdown. You see that? You entered maybe 20, no, not even 20, 5, 10, 8 pips drawdown. And then boom, you profit 100 pips, you take profit. Or you take profit at 50, or you take profit at 40 pips, whatever you like. What I like to do, y'all notice in my signals, what I like to do when you get in the trade, boom, we enter. When the trade goes 40 to 50 pips in profit, I like to take partial profits, okay? Dang. I like to take partial profits and then put my stop loss at entry. So now we're 50 pips in profit, and our stop loss is here, and our trade is here, okay? So now we're 50 pips in profit, and now it's a risk-free trade. So let's say it's a bad trade and it bounces, and boom, hits our stop loss. We still secure 50 pips, okay? So you take partial profits. Now let's say, boom, you take partial profits, put your stop loss at entry, and you let it ride. Boom, you take another partial profit at 75 pips, okay? And then you take another partial at 100. And then you just let it ride. Now you got probably 1 cent down to 10 cents left of your lots left. And now you're just letting the trade ride. You're enjoying the trend. So the same thing could have happened here, could have happened here. So you just got to be ready. You enter and ride it. Take partial, put your stop loss, make it risk-free so you don't lose any money. And you gain because you take partial on the way down, whether it reverses or not, okay? This is how you're going to shoot your accuracy out of the roof. You're going to see more blues, and you're going to see less red. I'm telling you, okay? This is very simple. This is how you can trade on your own, y'all. This is how I become successful, okay? So if y'all listen to me, your things is going to change, okay? Let's get it. All right, so boom, 100 pips right here. All right, cool. So boom, we hit our stop loss. We're good. We're out of this trade. Now, boom, notification. Bruce, GPB NZD, you just got a notification. It's a possible buy on the 4-hour chart. I enter, catch a little drawdown. What's that? 50 pips drawdown. That's a lot, but mind you, you got to follow risk management. 50 pips drawdown, and then boom, it goes your way because the Parabolic SAR starts separating. You see that? It starts gaining momentum. When it starts separating, that's gaining momentum. When it's on a higher time frame, that's so powerful, okay? So we enter here, 50 pip drawdown max, 55 pip max, okay? And then boom, it start going your way. That's when you can add more positions. You hear me? If you want, it's also risky. Of course, you know where it's going, but it's more risky when you have more lots into the market, okay? That's just common sense. More risk, more money inside, more risk. But of course, your reward will be greater if you know what you're doing, okay? So when you're confident, you can add another position. Boom, okay? Boom, look at that. 30 pips, 40 pips, 80 pips, 130, 180 pips profit, okay? So let's say you're taking partials all the way up. You take partials at 50. Now it's a risk-free trade. You take partial at 100. You take partial at 150, okay? And now you just close. You let your stop loss run. I'm sorry, you let your stop loss at entry and just let the trade run. You enjoy the trend, okay? That's how we're collecting 200, 300 pips a day throughout pairs. We're taking 100 pips a day, 100 pips every 2 days in one pair. 200 pips every 2 days in one pair. 5 pairs, that's over 1,000 pips in a week, y'all. That's how I've been killing the Forex game, y'all. This is so simple. Do not overcomplicate it, okay? Higher time frame. Like we're in this trade right now. Look, I entered here. Boom, GPB NZD sell. About a day ago, it looked like. Okay, boom. How many pips? We're up 230 pips, okay? Now, this is a nice little pattern right here. I want this to go all the way down to this level. You see that? This is where you do support and resistance. This is for the support and resistance traders, okay? So everything I do is everything mixed in one. So when people like do price action, do support and resistance, do you do Fibonacci? Bro, all that's included. You can't just do one, you feel me? You have to do everything, okay? So look, support and resistance right here. Remember, I put the breakout. Boom, consolidation, consolidation, breakout. Boom, consolidation, breakout. Consolidation, breakout. Consolidation, breakout. To the next level. You know what I'm saying? So we wanted to go to the next level. So this is, we already got 220 pips right here. That's a whole nother, boom, let's say it retraces. It's time to retrace. And then in the next day or so, probably next, now I can't talk. By the end of the week / the beginning of next week, it's going to continue down. And next level, we wanted to go all the way down to 385 pips, 400 pips. You see that? This is trading, playing your trades out. Look, this is one pair. Y'all, we're doing this on one pair. You feel me? You don't need 1,300 pairs. But that's the advantage of taking signals. So you can have me just tell you what pairs to get in. You feel me? That's pretty dope. But this is how you can trade on your own. Y'all, Parabolic SAR is freaking powerful. Okay? You only want to enter during high volatile times, okay? Boom, you see this go down. You see it change. You see this slowly going down. Look, let me show you another way. Give people like visuals. I'm a visual trader. I like that. So I'm going to give you a visual. Even if you don't have the Parabolic SAR, if you're just a price action trader, you don't want no indicators. The indicators lag. You feel all that. Okay, let me show you this. Easy. Make you a channel. High points, low points. Everything touches breakout. Easy money. Breakout. Let's say we did sell it on the breakout. You're a breakout trader. You're a breakout strategy. You want to do a breakout strategy. From here to here, you just caught 130 pips. You feel me? There's so many ways you can do this, okay? So y'all, please don't overcomplicate it. And then even if something consolidating right here, you see this uptrend. Wait, where to go? You see this uptrend. Dang. Is it going to mess with me? You see this uptrend, it retraces. Boom. Now you're looking at this area right here. When you start seeing it go up here and start, I call it bull crapping. When they come up here and start bull crapping and it ain't doing nothing, it ain't never past this point, never past this point, and then boom, in the next day or so, it worked its way back down. Now you have support and resistance. You feel me? So now you can put you a line. You can put you a line because now you have two common areas on each side. All right? And then when it gets even better, you get three common areas. Then fourth or the fifth, one of them got to break out. So you just be ready. You take a buy down here. You take sales up here. You take buys down here. Okay? You got to let it respect it. It's not going to always go either. You see that? Before it went, it turned around. And then, boom, you can use the Parabolic SAR for entries. Entries for a sale. Let me zoom in for you. I can't remember. Entry for a sale right here. Parabolic SAR. Inside of a channel, okay? Boom, you enter. When did it tap? That's not a good one. You tap 100 pips. But mind you, when you do this channel stuff, you don't want to be in it. But let's say you use risk management, okay? 1 cent lot. Boom. 140. That's too much. You don't want to be trading this. Ever. You don't ever want to be trading this. But look at the risk to reward, okay? 150. And then boom, you drop and make 140. That's 1-to-1. No, you don't want to be doing that. So y'all better stay away from that consolidation. Stay away. So you only want to take trades. Look, you only want to take trades when it's showing you. Boom, take off, retracement. If it start going the opposite direction, do not drain your account. Now, when people ask me, Bruce, what kind of stop loss should I put? Where should I stop my trade if it goes too negative? Okay, that's a cool question. Cool. So as far as stop loss, I don't like them up front, but of course I like if a trade goes like 30 pips against me, boom, close it. You know what I'm saying? You never let an account. You never let a trade drain your account out ever. ever, I don't care if it reverses, don't ever let it shoot down and boom, click, hit you out, blow your account. Or if a trade goes 40 pips and blows your account, your lot size was way too high. Okay? You got to be able to withstand at least 30 to 50 pips drawdown. If that happens to occur, of course, you don't want to be in a trade negative 50 pips, but you need to have an account that can hold that if anything goes down. Okay, so 30 pips, I like. If around 30 negative pips, 25 pips, 15 pips, and you notice it ain't going nowhere your way, close your trade. Look for a new entry. Take a small loss. I'd rather lose 1,000. I'd rather lose $10 2 times than lose $100 2 times. Cut your losses quick. Okay? So let's look at another pair I was in. Another pair we're in. Euro NZD moves nicely. Move, waves up, down. Look at this, y'all. Let me show y'all something. Forex is all about history. What happened will happen again. What goes up will recorrect itself. What goes down will recorrect itself. Watch this. On the higher time frames, watch this. So look, let's start over here. Let's start right here. Let's start here. It just goes. So let me just start right here. Keep it simple. So from here, boom. Come on now. Shoot straight down. How many pips? It shoots straight down from here. 240 pips. And it goes straight up. Right here. Straight down, straight up. What goes down comes right back up. Y'all look. What goes right down comes right back up. This is the consolidation. So what goes down comes right back up. Down, right back up. Look at these little patterns. It's an upside down. I call it a V. A V. Look. Up, down. What goes up and bull stuff goes up, got to come down. Look, this little small one. What goes up, top, come down. What goes up, top, 4-hour chart, Parabolic SAR, got to come down, okay? What goes up, bigger frames, got to come down. Now you just secured 220 pips. Let's say you close on opposite signal, you took 80 pips. If you took it at the peak, you took 250 pips. That's why I say take profit at peak. People are like, Bruce, when do you take profit? How long do you like to take the whole trades? Like, to answer that question again, my system now is to get in a trade, great trade, very minimum drawdown, take profit around 40 to 50 pips. No, I'm sorry, don't take profit, take partial profits. Take partial profits around 40 to 50 pips, and then put your stop loss at entry. So now you're enjoying the trend. So right here, you're 50 pips in profit and your stop loss is at entry. Now you already closed some money into your account and you're still letting it run, okay? So now you're enjoying the trend. It retraces, you have no worries. You already closed 50 and you're still up 40 pips right now. Boom, now it goes more your way. Now it's 75 pips. Now it's 100 pips in profit right here. You're 100 pips in profit on this trade that you could have closed at 50, but you didn't, right? Because you let it run. So that's how you enjoy more pips by doing that, okay? Securing profits and putting your stop loss at entry and enjoying the trend. Okay, now you're at 100. You take some more partial profits. Boom. Now you're at 150. You take more partial profits. Now you're taking 50, 50, 50, 50. Now you're taking like 200. Look, man, you're multiplying your pips on a 200 pip move. Now we're making like 280 pips, 250 pips, 300 pips on a 200 pip move, y'all. That's powerful. Look, so what goes straight up comes down. What comes down corrects itself, goes right back up. Look, straight up. Look, make this little tip straight down. Consolidate. Make a tip. What did we trade, y'all? What did we trade today? Boom, straight down. 128 pips. Using the Parabolic SAR for entry. Did y'all hear that? Using the Parabolic SAR for entry. Okay? So you still have to determine everything. This is a strong uptrend. Strong uptrend. So just price action right here. Now, you want to do it? We're going to put that there. We're going to put that here. Boom. Now we working. So what? We're looking for a breakout now. We're looking for a breakout now. When it breaks out, it's gonna go. And where I know it's gonna go is here. Where it came from, consolidate, come back to where it was. Let's get it, y'all. Big Euro NZD sell coming up right here. Doesn't get no better than this. Or it could easily consolidate just right here. Boom, consolidate, consolidate, boom. Consolidate, consolidate. And it might go back up. That's what we see. But we're right now in a sale, enjoying the trend. Because we already took 50, we already took 100, we already took 150. You feel me? And now the stop loss is at entry. So we just enjoying the trend. That's how your accuracy is going to go through the roof. And you can make more profits on one move. And if you want, every single new day, add your new position. If you're 80 pips in profit on a trend and your stop loss is at your entry, if you want, you can add another position. We're enjoying the trend. You know what I'm saying? So that's that, y'all. Check out USD CAD. I was tweaking last night, so I called it and then I closed it with like 7 pips or something. It was stuck. Then I saw it bust out. I was like, oh, look, you shut up. Come on. Stop messing with me. So it shot up like 70 pips, 65 pips right now, 55 pips right now. But hey, we closed so many pips, I'm not even tripping. All right. I'm going to post a video in the group on how to take partial profit. All right. Before I look at these questions, I'm going to post in the group about taking partial profits and show you how to do that on your phone. Yes, you can take partial profit on Android. I'll post a video in the group today showing you how to do it. Is this strategy good for short-term trades? Great question. We're about to get into that right now. I just showed y'all what I was doing, okay? That was my system. 4-hour chart, killing it, okay? Mini pips on different moves. When is it too late to enter? Okay, let's say I call a trade. Okay? Y'all right here. You see this? Let's say I call a trade. We get in right here. USD CAD sell. 4 hours. No, I'm sorry. 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours. That's how many hours you could have got in this trade. You feel me? Without it busting in a profit. So whenever I send a signal, I'm starting right now, boom. I'm starting to, when I send a signal now, I send entry price, okay? Keep it real simple. So you go to your chart, boom, and you just put a line, you create a horizontal line in properties, edit it, and put in the price I just said in the signals in the chat. And then you paste it, boom, and you'll be like, oh, 172, oh, it's at 162. It's at 182. I can get in still. So now you get in here and you catch more pips, boom, and now you're eating with us. Okay? So it all depends. Now I'm giving price. Don't wait too late because some signals go straight into profit nowadays. My signal is going straight into profit nowadays, so you better be ready. So when it dropped by the hour max, I'm telling you, hour max, you're just going to lose pips, okay? Of course, we shoot for 200 plus pips a trade. So if you miss the first 10, you're not going to miss the next 40. You feel me? So it won't be too late. Just remember, if you get in the signal late, it might retrace, okay? That's just late entries. You got to eat retracements, okay? So I'm going to get into the lower time frames right now. So you can go to any time frame. I like the 15. Any time frame, it's the same thing. You still need to know the trend. Okay? Let's go back to GM. Right here. You still need to know the trend. Okay? You still need to know that we're looking for sales right here. In this area, we're looking for sales. Okay? Strong sale based on the long hour chart. Based on the higher time frame. So now you go to the smaller time frames, Michael, and scalp. Okay, you want to scalp? If you really want to scalp, go to the smaller time frames, 15-minute chart. Okay, Parabolic SAR told you to enter up here. After a strong movement up, there's strong movements down. Even if you only enter from here to here, you want to scalp, right? That's a long time still. 15 minutes each bar. 15, 30, 45, an hour. So that's almost a full day, okay? You got it. That's scalping. Unless you want to go down to the 1 minute. You can come down here, scalp on the 1 minute, same time frame. I'm sorry, same pair, same trend. You know,
she also receives a certificate for sports and netball participant at nationals.
man, she in class, ain't she? She in class. That's what's up. She dedicated. All right, y'all, let's get it back to it. Ooh. What was I saying? All right, 1 minute chart. If you want to scalp the 1 minute chart, this is how you do it. Go down to the 1 minute chart. Parabolic SAR, easy money, man. It ain't gonna do you wrong. 13 pips. You know it's a sale. You only take the sales. 13 pips. You only take the sales. 41 pips. 1 minute chart. You only take the sales. Where another sale at? Right here. This is the bad signal. Yo, what's going on? How did that get there? That's weird. All right. So like I was saying, 1 minute chart. You know it's a sale, so you only take the sales. 40 pips right there. Boom. You only take the sales. 6 pip scalp, come up, retrace to your entry, go down to 10 pips. Okay, boom, you take another 10 pips. Next sell signal. I'm sorry. Whoa, what is this going on? I can't help but ignore this. Hold up. Is it news right now? Yo, that's got to come down. Yo, everybody, that's got to come down. That's got to come back down. What drastically goes up, got to come back down. If you want, you can sell that. Yo, that's got to come down. And it was already in the downtrend. Dang, that's crazy. Yo, that's gotta come down. It's the 1 minute chart. That's gotta come down. Even if it does go back up for the trend, it's gotta retrace. It's the 1 minute chart. Wow, that's crazy. Look at that. They're stop hunting. I don't know what they're doing. That's news or something, boy. I don't like it. Yo, what is that? That's crazy. Oh, for real, David? Yo, Jeffro. Is Telegram the only place we'll be able to see what you're doing live? What you mean live, bro? This is a live webinar. What are you talking about? This is a live webinar. You mentioned a few trades in the last few minutes, but you did not see those in Telegram. I mean, I didn't call no signals. I'm just showing how you can scalp or how you can. I'm showing the strategy, bro, and mentioning the same signals that I had y'all in. Okay. How to put the PSAR on Trader's Way. So what was your PSAR trigger? First PSAR dot in 4 hour or on lower time frame first dot? Martin, the first dot on any time frame is the best. Okay? That's vital. You want to get the first dot for the best entry. So look, let's say you only trade Parabolic SAR. You just got a notification that the 15-minute chart just reversed. And if you entered right now, 10 minutes ago, 70 pips, man. 70 pips. Let's say you take the small little retracements. From here to here, you take 25 pips. That's powerful. Do y'all hear me? Parabolic SAR has got to come down, y'all. Be ready. Damn, Jeff. No, your stop loss should have been that entry too. I don't know when you entered. Not sure when you entered, boss, but if you was on the signals, your stop loss should have been an entry. He's at GPB AUD. That didn't do nothing. Oh shit. Wow. Wow. Y'all, I'm telling you, that's got to come back down. Woo! How many pips is that? 100 pips. That's crazy. Consolidate, consolidate. It's gonna go down. Go back to where you were. All right. Ow. There it goes. Gotta come down. You gotta come down, 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 down. Ugh. But in the meantime, yeah, you can't overcomplicate it, y'all. Yeah, that's crazy. Look at that. Shoot, we cut all that down just to give it back to the market. But now, you see the importance of securing profits and putting your stop loss at entry? We're not even affected. The people who are in my signals or anything that took those trades, you're not even affected. You feel me? We took 200 on the way down, however much it was. And guess what? We put our stop loss at entry or a pip above. So boom, we might have took another pip on the way, you know what I'm saying, on the way out. So look, that's how you're gonna multiply your accuracy. 92 pips, news. If you didn't have a stop loss, would you try to ride it back down? Yeah, I mean, that's news. That's got to come down. That's got to come back down. Look at the 1 minute chart. Come down. It's got to come down. But yeah, I think pretty much covered everything. I just showed you the easiest way to be a profitable trader. You can't even complicate it. But y'all see the importance. Like our whole trade would have been gone if we didn't secure our profits on the way down. 100 pips max, and we secured all of them before we hit our stop loss. Do you see the power of that? Okay, so that's what I want y'all to do. All right. I don't want to hear no more loss. No, okay. The only loss you should take if a trade goes against you. I mean, the only loss you should take if a trade you enter here and the trade goes this way. And it would have changed Parabolic SAR direction by then. So you should have knew to close it and maybe change direction and get your butt out the trade. Okay. All right. So look at that. Way past our entry, and we're good because it knocked us out our entry. We're good. I'm sorry, it knocked us our stop loss from our entry. This too. I think it was in GPB&Z. We might have been a little higher. A little higher up. My take on UCAT, big uptrend. Big uptrend, but it's in a box right now. It's in a box right now, bro. UCAT is in a box right now. So what we gonna do to trade the box? We're gonna take this buy all the way to the top. You say you enter here, you take 100 pips. Okay, we're gonna ride this buy all the way to the top and see what it do. Hopefully it busts out right here and create a new bottom. So if it busts out, this will now be the bottom. Okay, meaning when this busts out, you see how this is now the bottom. So when this busts out, this is now going to be the bottom. So price is going to be all up here. Just because you knew it was going to buy off this channel. Boom, tip, 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 boom. Just like EU did. EU is a sexy example. So you get the higher points. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. Tap, same line, tap, tap. Get the higher points over here. Tap, 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 tap. But it's all happened before the tap, after the taps. Okay. So like a week ago, we was right here. I didn't see none of this. Okay, but I knew off this trend line, look at this. Off this trend line, up, down, into this channel at least. I really wanted it to sell. That would have been easy. Sell it to here, easy. But then it came up here, broke out. Okay, let me zoom in. It's same the 4-hour chart, higher time frame. It came out, broke out, closed right here. This is key. This was key that it wasn't coming back down. It closed and didn't reverse. It came up, closed, and pushed up. Retraced, consolidated. Look, if you really like these channels, boom, make you another one. Another one. All right, make you another channel. You know what I'm saying? Just get the wicks. I like it on the candles. Hear me? The candles. I don't much like the wicks too much, okay? The wicks it's not where it closed. I like where it closed at. Okay, so boom, that's another channel. You see that? Channels are nice. Big channel, little channel, breakout. This is breakouts. This is how you trade breakouts. Channel, breakout. Channel, right here. Boom, Parabolic SAR. The Parabolic SAR told you before without even doing the channels. Parabolic SAR, higher time frame. You buy it. You buy it off the breakout, off the trend line, whichever one you trade. The Parabolic SAR breakout, the trend line, boom. 50 pips, come on. 50 pips, you secure 50. 100 pips, you secure 100. No drawdown. You see that? You enter, 0 drawdown. Max drawdown, 20 pips if you got in all the way over here. Okay, if you got in off the trend line, you don't get no drawdown. Man, my shit's tweaking. Trend line, Parabolic SAR entry, 100 pips right here. We secured it at 50. 100, 130, 150. We secured all the way to 200. You feel me? Goes all the way to 200. We don't even care. And then we see a strong reversal. So we just go ahead and close the trade at 200 pips. At 170, at 180 pips right here. Boom. And what do we do now, y'all? Y'all, what has been happening? Every time the dot reverses, what is it going to do? We need to be getting in for sale. 40 pips. This is an easy way to get money all day by yourself. This is how you can trade by yourself, y'all. How powerful is that if you don't need my signals anymore? Picture that. You don't need my signals anymore. Now you trade on your damn own. Getting up every day, checking the 4-hour chart using a Parabolic SAR, taking pips every single day. Consistent Forex pips every single day. Consistent Forex pips every single day. Consistent Forex pips every single day. On a low scale, a lot of drawdown, 12 pips drawdown, 30 pips drawdown, 50 pips max, 45 pips max. Okay, you get in on a sale, it's pips all day on the higher time, 60 pips. You just gotta be patient. Let your trades develop. 200 pips, that's 2-3 days. Let your trades develop. This might drop for the next week. Let your trades develop. 230 pips right there. Let your trades develop, okay? Real simple. Real simple. So soon, this might make another one of these. Make another channel, and we're going to trade the breakout. Real simple, y'all. You can do this on your own. You can do this on your phone. You can do this on your laptop. It's easier on your laptop. It got easier to me when I started getting a computer and a laptop, okay? I used to do everything on my phone for like the first 10 months. Not 12, but the first like 6, 7, 8 months. Then I started jumping on my laptop, and then the chart looks easier for higher time frames and such. And then that's when I multiplied. Boom. We're in a Euro JPY sale. Euro JPY sale right now. 40 pips drawdown. I didn't call it till right here. Okay, so we're looking for at least down here, 75 pips. We're looking for at least 75 pips right now in the next few days on Euro JPY. We just got in, y'all. This is a live signal. Euro JPY sell. And this is why I don't use a stop loss, because, like, I mean, you don't need it. You know what I'm saying? A stop loss is like, okay, I'm going to lose some money. I'm not going to do that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not. Man, stop losses get hit because you set them too low. Then you're just draining money. Then the trade goes your way. So if you just get in a trade with risk management, of course, not to blow your account for at least 50 pips, you can hold any trade without a stop loss, without really tripping. You know what I'm saying? And that's when you what about this, man? Until you get into profit, and then you put your stop loss at entry. And if a trade just goes against you, close it at 30 pips. Okay? And it just got to go against you. Okay? Woo! So we're in the live trade right now, y'all. Euro JPY sale. Read about it.
Read about it.
Yo, who is that? Who is that talking? What's up, man? He just muted. Appreciate it. But I hear you, bro. Thanks for joining, bro.
Of course, you the
Bro,
Hey, Bruce.
Bro, everybody's supposed to be muted. What the heck? What's up?
Here. Thank you. Thank you for the signs. I just have a question real quick.
What's the question, bro?
Okay. Sometime when you like right now, you say EG for sell, but right now retracement. Sometimes you do that. It's just we just jump it right away, or we do a small lot. I mean, of course, if we have a small account, it had to be a small lot. But sometimes it's like I've been seeing a couple times the sign that you send is like a retracement. It's just because it's a support or resistance right there, or we just like wait and let it run like the way you're saying.
All right, cool. I don't want you to get confused. A retracement and drawdown is two different things. Okay. So if you're saying
Okay.
when you enter a trade and I say drawdown 30, 40, 50 pips, drawdown is when you enter a trade and you go negative pips before you hit profit. You feel me? So drawdown is I get in the trade and it goes the complete opposite way, 30 pips. That's drawdown. Now let's say I get in the trade inside of a retracement. So let's say I'm on a downtrend, but I get in 3 candles of straight profit on the downside. So now the trade's got to go the opposite way. So I entered too late, meaning I entered during the retracement, which I also collected drawdown. So when you enter during a retracement, that's how you catch drawdown. Okay? You get that?
Okay.
Okay, but now
Yeah.
about your lot sizes. When you first enter a trade, of course you don't want to drop everything in one basket. You want to let a trade develop first. Let a trade go into profit. Let a trade show you it's really about to go that direction. And if you want, you can multiply your profits by multiple positions. Yes. But that also increases your risk. When I say risk management, let's say you have $1,000 account, you only want to risk 10%. So at 10% at one time, okay. So your max lot size will be 0.10 no matter how many trades you have open. So let's say you go in on one pair 10 times at a 0.01 cent lot. That's how you can add multiple positions but still have the same amount of risk. Or you can open 10 pairs all at 0.01 and still make $1 a pip versus putting all your baskets into one trade. Feel me? Does that make sense, bro?
Yeah. Okay. Let's say the EJ that you call it right now for sell. Can you look and you graph it, because right now it's like going up like for buy. So can you explain with that?
What are you talking about, right? What are you talking about? This one candle or this movement?
The movement, the 1 hour movement. It's like right now you just send and you in the private telegram you say for sale.
Yeah. All right, because it
All
is
right.
still, bro. So look, based on the Parabolic SAR and based on this channel, let me show you. Based on this channel, let me see. Zoom out, zoom out. See this channel right here?
Yeah.
Okay, based on this channel right here,
Mm-hmm.
boom. Make a top wall, make a floor, make a touch, come down, boom. So we're working with this channel right here. So we're inside this channel. This is all it's doing. It's gonna go up, make a channel, break out. Go up, make a channel, break out. Go up, make a channel. What is it gonna do next? Break out. So we go in the channel and take it from the top. Look at that. If we knew this channel was, if we knew about this channel from over here, then boom, this happened. We know it's gonna happen again. So we get in a sell based on the Parabolic SAR. You don't know when to get in. Okay, the Parabolic SAR will tell you exactly when to get in. So you get in here and you ride it all the way down to where? Bruce, where do I take profit? Well, the way my new system is, you take profit at 50, 100, 150, 200, and you enjoy the trend, okay? So you take profits all the way down. You take profits all the way down, 170 pips, okay? Boom. So when it goes against you or you just end up closing it, you're good. You took a lot of pips, so you're not tripping. So it doesn't matter when you close. You just take partials at 50, 100, 150, 100. So to answer your question, Yo, Danny, I'm about to mute you, bro.
Okay.
So to answer your question, you say we're in a buy, but we're not. This is the channel, okay? It's going zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. Right now, it's got a zig. We're looking for the zig, so we're in the sell. Based on the last zigs, it'll go down here and touch. So that's what we're selling, okay? We're gonna boom, sell, boom, sell, boom, sell, boom, sell. Anyway, we're gonna take these pips. We got in late, or we didn't get in late. Boom, right here, perfect entry, boom, sell, sell. And this perfect entry could bust us all the way out. This perfect entry can bust us all the way out. You feel me? Sell, breakout, sell. Just like what pair was that? NZD right here. No. What pair was that? GBP AUD? I forgot. It was NZD. Yeah, just like this pair. It broke out. Broke out of the channel. It broke out. And then it just retraced hard. That's why we secure profits. All right. So let me check other questions. Why are you into EJ? Isn't it late? No, bro. Can you explain Euro JPY sell? You just did. Do you only enter a trade when the parabolic just changed the buy to sell? Or if it's been going for a while already, do you just wait or do you go ahead and enter? When it's been going a while, I don't want to enter, no. Because for this exact reason right here, let's say you enter today, it's a strong trend and it goes against you crazy. I don't want you to do that. I want you to get the best entry and you wouldn't even have been affected by news, okay? So it's imperative, it's important, it's mandatory that you get the best entry, okay? What's a good lot size per 100? 0.05, 50 cents a pip. EJ is not too late now. So, all right, y'all. If y'all ain't got no more questions, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I think this was a pretty good webinar. I want to start jumping on every day with y'all, at least 3 days a week. You know what I'm saying? Pick y'all brain a little bit. Definitely. Yo, I'm watching the chat. Hold on, I'm about to do a Snapchat, y'all. Yo, if y'all want me to do more webinars, y'all, post pips. Comment pips right here in the chat, y'all. We live. We live right here on Snapchat. We got about, how many people we got here? We got about 37 people right now in the webinar. Look at my whole team, y'all. Comment pips, y'all, if y'all can hear me. If y'all just learned something on this webinar, if y'all ready to make the most money ever made. She just made her first $60. Y'all see this. I'm helping so many people make money. It's ridiculous, okay? This is just the people on right now. I'm impacting hundreds of people daily, okay? So if y'all really want to learn how to make money, y'all, this is it. Contact me. Look, if y'all can hear me, comment pips on the webinar. Y'all, it's about to get crazy, okay? So plug into the system, plug into my training. Follow me on Facebook at Bruce Webb. You'll see me with the Living Lavish. Everything. Yo, comment pips. Let's get it. So y'all hit me up. Let's get it, team. Yo, I'm going to wrap up the webinar. Right now. Thanks everybody for joining in, showing me you care about your future, your life, your family. You know what I'm saying? This is life-changing, y'all, okay? Take it serious. Y'all, I'm out. And another thing, when you have profits, y'all are one-time fee students, okay? Y'all only paid me once, okay? So all I ask you is to help me grow my business, grow your following, your client, you know what I'm saying? People knowing you. Like, how cool is that to be Bruce's six-figure trader student? You know what I'm saying? Ain't that dope? Don't you want, if you want to be one of my six-figure trader students, I want you to be known. So I want you to post your results in the group. That's why I make a group, that Consistent Forex Pips group. I want you to tag your name. I'm not tag your name. Whenever you post, whenever you make profits right now, your profits today, your profits yesterday, I want you to screenshot it and go post it in the group. Consistent Forex Pips. That's my group. You accept to join it. I'll let you in personally. The group is called Consistent Forex Pip. If you're already in that group, whenever you profit using my strategy, my signals, or you're just excited, post your profits in my group. Don't post your charts. You can post your charts, just take out the Parabolic SAR. It doesn't really matter. But I like to see all blue. Show me how much money you made. Show me how much money you made today. You know what I'm saying? That's what I want to see. So post that every day in the group whenever you profit, because we're profiting every day, y'all. The more profits I see, the more hype I get. Y'all see I'm getting hype when I'm talking about it. The more hype I get, okay? Let me give y'all the video so y'all see me. The more hype I get, okay? So y'all, I'm super excited. Y'all, it's real life, yo. It's real life. This is super life-changing. Trust me, it's super life-changing, like straight up. Take this stuff seriously, and I swear to God, I'll help you change your life, straight up. So when y'all get profits, post them in the Consistent Forex Pips group. This Bruce Webb, Living Lavish CEO. Let me check the chat one more time. You're making a difference, post profits. What app do you use to post from your phone? Facebook, bro. Go to Facebook and click post a picture of your screenshot of your profits for the day and post it, bro. You make 6 figures. You make me 6 figures. You can have my kidney. Well, give me that kidney, motherfucker. Give me that kidney, baby. Let's make it happen. I'm super hyped. I'm gonna help you help others. I like that. Let's get it. And this is unspoken. I have a referral program. I just don't speak on it. So if you like sell a gold package or a diamond package to like one of your friends or something, or anybody who you've attracted that made money with my system, you can make commissions off of it. If you sell a gold package, you can make like $25, same day PayPal. If you sell a diamond package, $300 to the consumer, you pay you get I think $50. $50 one time. I think it's $60. $60 one time if you sell a diamond package at $300. So I mean, it's unspoken. I don't want to make it look like MLM, you know what I'm saying? Because it's not that. I want everybody to focus on the actual trading, because that's what we're here for. That's how I did it. We're trading. But if you want to make an extra money to put in your trading account or do anything, I don't care. Or even you don't even want to refer. You just posting profits on Facebook and people hit you up asking about me. Yo, is Bruce legit? Is Bruce the real deal? Is that real profit? Yeah, it's real deal. If you sell me and he signs up and he tells me Rico told me to come buy from you, I'll cash you out, okay? So, I mean, let's spread the wealth. We want everybody to win. And the more people you help win, you win too, you feel me? So yeah, I'm real. This is real shit. I'm only 24 years old, real genuine, real, you know what I'm saying? Real deal. So, y'all, let's get this shit. So, catch me outside. How about that? All right, man, we out. You did. New AP. Y'all see me, man. I'm out of here. Let me end the meeting. Screw, pop, pop. We out. Thanks for the training, y'all. Thanks for everybody giving feedback. If you're excited, I'm going to post this in the group, and I want you to say pips right under. I'm going to post a replay in the group, and then I want you to comment pips right under the video. All right? Let's get it. We out. All right, y'all.